Hello and welcome back to another video. My name's Sam and today we're going to shed some light on currency pairs, the backbone of the Forex market. With a multitude of currencies circulating worldwide, certain pairs dominate trading volumes and attract the most attention from investors and traders. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what currency pairs are and why they are important in Forex trading, whilst also outlining the most traded Forex pairs. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section down below. And be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you don't miss any important information. Alright, let's jump right in. Starting with the basics, in Forex trading, currencies are always traded in pairs. Each pair consists of a base currency and a quote currency. The base currency is the first currency listed in the pair, while the quote currency is the second. For example, take the EUR-USD pair. Here, the euro is the base currency and the US dollar is the quote currency. The value of a currency pair indicates how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. Simply put, a currency pair's fluctuations determine the relative strength or weakness of one currency against another, facilitating speculation and investment opportunities in a dynamic global Forex market. The popular currency pairs are classified into major, minor, and exotic pairs, based on their liquidity, trading volume, and global economic significance. Major currency pairs are the most traded and include currencies from major global economies, such as the United States, Europe, Japan, and the United Kingdom. These pairs generally have high liquidity, tight spreads, and attract significant attention from traders. One of the most widely traded pairs is the EUR-USD, which represents the euro against the US dollar. As two of the world's most influential currencies, this pair accounts for a substantial portion of the daily Forex trading volume. Economic indicators, monetary policies, and geopolitical events in both the Eurozone and the United States significantly impact the EUR-USD exchange rate, making it a favorite among traders seeking liquidity and volatility. The pair USD-JPY, representing the US dollar against the Japanese yen, is another popular currency pair in the Forex market. Japan's status as a major economic powerhouse in Asia and its strong ties with the US economy contribute to the popularity of this pair. Traders often monitor this pair closely due to its sensitivity to global economic and geopolitical developments. Another currency pair that attracts significant attention in Forex trading is GBP to USD, also known as the cable. It involves the British pound and the US dollar. The pound's status as a major currency and its correlation with the US economy makes this pair highly volatile and subject to fluctuations based on economic data and geopolitical events from both countries. And lastly, it's worth mentioning the AUD-USD, which represents the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and the USD-CAD, which represents the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. These are also popular Forex pairs due to their high liquidity and volatility. Apart from the major currency pairs that we've just mentioned, there's also cross-currency and exotic currency pairs. Cross-currency or minor pairs don't include the US dollar. They involve two major currencies traded against each other. Examples include EUR-GBP and AUD-JPY. While these pairs may have slightly lower liquidity compared to major pairs, they still offer opportunities for traders seeking diversification and exposure to specific regional economies. Exotic currency pairs, on the other hand, involve one major currency and one currency from a developing or emerging market. These pairs are less liquid and often have wider spreads. Examples include USD to TRY, representing the US dollar against the Turkish lira, USD-ZAR, involving the South African rand, making them riskier for trading due to higher volatility and less predictable movements. All these details about currency pairs are important to know, but there's more to it. If you're someone who wants to excel in Forex trading, you need to keep in mind many factors, such as 1. Market volatility. It's crucial to understanding the volatility of your chosen currency pair and adjust your risk management strategies accordingly. 2. Economic indicators. Keep a close eye on economic indicators and news releases that can have significant impact on currency prices, such as GDP and inflation. 3. Technical analysis. Use technical analysis tools to spot trends and potential entry and exit points. 4. political events. Stay informed about political instability and geopolitical tensions as they can affect currency prices. And 5. Interest rates. Pay attention to interest rate differentials between countries as they can influence currency valuations. And with that being said, let's see what we've learned today. Currencies are always traded in pairs, with each pair consisting of a base currency and a quote currency. The top traded currency pairs in the Forex market include EUR-USD, USD-JPY, GBP-USD, AUD-USD, and USD-CAD. Exotic currency pairs involve one major currency and one currency from a developing or emerging market. Cross-currency pairs don't include the US dollar. They involve two major currencies traded against each other. Technical analysis tools provide valuable insights into market trends and can assist in determining entry and exit points for trades. Economic indicators, news releases, political events, geopolitical tensions, interest rate differentials between countries can have a substantial impact on currency valuations. Let us know what your favorite currency pair is in the comment section down below. We've also launched our brand new official FXGT.com blog site where you can visit and read up on anything related to the markets in as much detail as you would like. We have multiple different topics that are tailor-made for all kinds of traders and enthusiasts. You can visit fxgt.com/blog or simply click on the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And since you made it this far, here is 2 more videos that you might like. I'll see you soon.